Tina with You Made That, and today I have my son Jake with me.
Hello.
Hey, so we are going to revisit something that we did before, and what it is I did a craft. I made a video. Jake does not know what it is. He has not seen the end product.
Nope.
So he has no idea what I did, and he's going to help me do a voiceover for it.
Cool.
Okay. So, and I'll link to the one we did before. It was a card making video, and this one is not. That's all I'm going to say.
Gotcha. Okay. Interesting.
All right. So, yeah, thanks for doing this with me, Jake.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what it is.
All right. Okay. So here I'm going to add this to the stream. Let me hit pause. I'm going to move Jake around. There we go. Okay, so we're all ready to go. So I'm going to hit the record or play button,
Oh, look at that.
It's a needle felting kit.
Yeah, I was just reading everything. All to myself. Kit de alfalbado.
Looks like a lot of words, but it's just other languages. So it's for
He's cute.
beginners. And I've always wanted to try needle felting. And I thought this hedgehog was so cute. So I got it. And it's like hard to open.
Yeah, wow. Don't have a craft scissors nearby or something?
I should have.
Oh, it's a bag of hair.
It does. It looks like hair. This is a foamy little mat.
Oh, it's like the magic erasers.
Oh, except denser.
That she used to make me clean the house with.
So I'm looking for the instructions here.
Yeah. There's a lot of different things in there. It's quite the kit. Jam-packed. Oh, okay. All right. So we got a bag of string and a very dangerous needle.
Yes, it's sharp and it has these barbs on it.
Gosh. It's not supposed to be a real hedgehog. It's supposed to be soft and cuddly. Okay, so you open your hair and
It's really soft.
It is.
Yeah, so it's 100% wool.
Wait, I thought there'd be a hard like oval in there that's his body. It's all softy hair.
It's all wool.
Huh. Wow. Okay, so ball up your hedgehog hair and then look at it.
2 inches by 3 inches. So I'm just measuring it out.
Okay.
Now, I did not watch any videos, so I really don't know what I'm doing except following the directions. The directions say...
it holds together. I was just thinking about how hard it would be to mold hair because it's going to spring back, but apparently it's sticky.
It said to needle it until it stays together. So I'm like this?
Oh, not sticky. You're like weaving them into each other, intermixing the hair.
Yeah, that's what the barbs do. They felt the wool to make it hard.
Huh. That's cool.
It is.
Okay, so you just go for whatever shape you want. It's like a little cookie, a little dough ball. And we're needling and we're needling.
And it makes lots of little holes in that little mat, but that's okay.
Oh, yeah. 5 minutes later. Still needling. Okay. Wow. So after 11 fun-filled minutes of needling, we have our hedgehog skin body.
Yeah. It's firming up, though.
Oh, yeah. It does look like you're not smushing into it. It's really firm. Huh. That's weird.
It really is. I don't...
magic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it doesn't go all the way through. I did kind of stab myself a little bit, but it didn't bleed.
That's where you wear your thimbles before doing this. Oh, we got more. More
Yeah, they
hedgehog
gave
hair.
you lots. So I'm showing like this was this. Like, go figure. Look at that.
Hmm.
And it doesn't even go through to the pad anymore. It's dense and it stops the needle.
I'm glad you're adding those comments because I can't tell from the video all these cool facts about how it feels, the texture.
That's why I'm here.
Oh, he's gonna be a cute little guy once he stops being a fleshy glob.
Yeah, I need to fatten him up a little.
Oh yeah, so here's where you get your opportunity to make him unique. Oh, the stencil, little, it looks like a mouse ball.
Yeah,
No, but
doesn't look anything like the picture. I need to fatten him up.
make him your own shape, your own level of plumpness and cuteness, or you can make a malnourished, frail hedgehog if you want. Don't laugh. I'm gonna laugh. Oh, you're
I needed a
adorable.
band-aid. Okay, so I hurt myself and it bled, but it wasn't from needling. It was from grabbing all my stuff and then grabbing my phone to head downstairs to needle some more. And when I grabbed my phone,
You
yeah,
grab the needle.
yeah.
Yep.
So don't grab your phone and all the things.
I'll have to design you a needle case.
I
Protect
think
the tip.
I think there's like a glove or something you can get. I don't
Mm. Hmm. All right, so now we're gonna put the brown hair on him. Or I guess these are. If Josh was here, he would know. But this is the spiky layer that I think is still made of hair. They're just really hard individual hairs that become spikes.
I
Something like
don't
that.
know.
We'll ask him later, or he'll comment and tell me I'm wrong.
Yeah, comment if you know what a hedgehog has on his back. So they give you lots. Now I need to work on the legs.
Two little peanuts.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
they're still like way big for his little body.
How did you stick the needle layer on? Did you just with the thing? You just stab it on?
Yep, you just keep adding more and needling it and it
Huh,
sticks.
this thing's cool.
I know.
I'll have to
So
come
yeah,
home if I can see it. And
I want to make a snout. So I realized that one of the legs would be better as a snout.
oh, it was a snout-shaped leg.
Yeah.
So
So there, I needled the snout on to give him a little
yeah,
pointy.
that's what creativity is all about.
Yeah.
Making it look good and doing it your way. So
And
be free.
I still need to add more of that brown.
It's like a toupee. Slap some hair on him. Oh, you're just stabbing it. Oh,
What happened?
did it do that for you, or is it just me?
It's for,
And that's the end. That's your hedgehog.
oh no, what happened?
Was that the end of the video, or did it just
Shouldn't be. Okay,
StreamYard
let
broke?
me see. Let me see what happened. I'm going to try it again. And if it goes, we'll just pick up.
Was the video fuzzy for you?
No.
Okay, it was a little
Oh,
fuzzy for me. Now it looks clear. It was like kind of blocky, but I figured it was just a Wi-Fi deal.
I don't know why it went to black. That is really weird. Okay,
Hmm.
we'll edit this part out.
No, let's keep it. It's funny.
No. Okay.
He's back.
And
Oh,
it's what?
he's back.
Okay. Okay, so the leg is still too
Okay.
big, and I don't know if you're supposed to cut it, but I just cut
Well, there's your scissors you should have used to open the bag at the start. Poke him around, give him the business, give him the works.
Yeah, and it kind of helps if you kind of angle them up on that pad to like form the legs. That's what I found
Oh
anyway.
yeah, yeah, because you want him to be like flattened so that he stands. You don't want like a nub, like a peg leg pirate.
Yeah. He's coming along.
Excuse me.
Now I need the ears. I think I'm going to work on the ears.
Looks like the ears and the nose are the same type of hair color.
Yeah, sorry, that was blurry. Yeah, so I was reading the instructions.
Cut some hair.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
So
So
you just
how,
shape it and then needle it, and it sticks.
how do you know what a hedgehog ear looks like if you didn't have a picture? Like that's something I would never have pictured in my mind. I haven't seen enough hedgehogs.
I'm adding more little tuft of whatever that is to the top of his head.
Yeah. Aw. He's cute, but he's faceless. Like a little
Yeah.
monster.
Okay, I thought the nose was really hard, so I tried rolling it in my hands.
And lost it.
That didn't work.
It's like a magic trick. Where did the nose go?
So then I tried just rolling some in my fingers, and that worked better.
Yay, he's got a nose. Almost
Yeah.
there. Now, if I wanted to, could I make him like a snowman and put coal in his eyes? Or is that not allowed?
I thought about cheating and just kind of gluing a little gem on there, but I didn't. I followed the
Googly.
instructions.
Yeah, I want to give him googly eyes so they rattle around.
Okay, so that's a needle threader. I don't know if you've ever seen one, but it's like this little wire thing, and it goes through the eye of the needle, and then you just pull
Oh,
your floss or whatever through.
wow.
It's really nice. Okay, so here's where I felt a little bad.
Oh, he's been impaled. We just stuck it right through his heart. Oh my gosh. Now you're threading him. Oh, yeah. Like I
Yeah.
get it. That's how you get fine lines, but it just looks horrifying.
Yeah, once he started to take shape, I always felt bad sticking him anymore. So it was like
Yeah.
I didn't want to needle him anymore.
Should have done this part before putting the nose and ears on. So it didn't look like a guy, it just was like a lump.
True. And then you just run your needle through
Run
and
him
you cut
through.
it off.
Oh, there's an
Oh,
airplane outside my window.
oh,
Sorry.
wondered what that was. Okay, so now I've got to put the black thread in there, and they give you all this. So I just made a loop and put it through my needle threader because, when you have old eyes like me, you need that little needle threader.
That thing looks really easy to use.
It is.
Have you
It's
ever
like,
tried to get a camel through there using the threader?
okay, don't look. Don't look.
Oh, oh, oh! It's gruesome.
It is.
Uh,
It was hard. I felt
cringing.
bad.
It's worth it, crafters. It's worth it because see how cute he looks. But people like me who aren't used to it, that was scary.
And I had to keep editing this video because I kept pulling it close to me because I don't sew like this.
Yeah.
And so I was out of my camera shot. So I had to keep editing that. So now,
Trying to see it yourself.
yeah. Oh gosh.
Oh, right, like a witch doctor through his cheeks.
It's bad. Okay. So yeah, now I need to sew his little smile on there. This is really hard.
It reminds me of a famous birthday card I received as a kid where it was Teddy Bear wants to wish you a happy birthday, but sadly his mouth is sewn shut. Just a
That was
really funny card.
that was classic. We
Yeah,
had that up like on display for a while because it was a good card. I had a knot, so I'm getting that knot out.
that's what this reminds me of. Huh.
So
Aw.
now I'm like, okay.
Feel.
I'm like, do I like it? Do I like it? Yeah. I was kind of ready to be done.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, how long did this take you?
The directions said 4 to 6 hours, but it took me longer. I'm guessing more like 8 to 10.
Oh wow.
Partly because I didn't know what I was doing and making it up as I went. But
Look
there
at
he
that. But there
is.
he is. And that's like a really unique item too. I mean, most people would think it's just like a cardboard ball with felt around it and it wouldn't hold up. But this is really cool and it looks durable and squishy and fun to play with. I like
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Oh, good. Thank you. And I really like, so I paused it here because I just like taking something that doesn't look like anything, like it looks like hair. And then
Yeah.
you made this thing that is hard and keeps its shape. So, yeah.
It looks like you started with Trump's haircut and now you got a hedgehog.
Yay. Yeah. So that's my video, man.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, Mom. Good
And
job.
here he is.
Oh, I get to meet him in person. What's his name?
I don't know. I haven't named him.
Oh, didn't Josh have a friend with a hedgehog and we babysat it and he had a funny name?
Yeah, his name was Meatball.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I was like, no. So I called him Snuffles.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's what I was thinking of. I like Snuffles.
Yeah, I should name
Yeah.
him Snuffles
He's
because,
like a
yeah.
grumpy guy and he would just go and like angrily.
My friend Mela has a hedgehog and his name is Pickles. So I guess people like to name hedgehogs after food. I don't know.
Yeah. I just think of like, I don't know, funny little cute name like Goober or something.
Yeah. He looks like a goober.
Yeah.
He does. So
Cool.
that was my
Good
new
job.
project and tried
Mhm.
something new. I have lots of leftovers. I don't know what I'm going to do with that brown. I was
Make
going to
a
say I could make another little guy, but it's kind of hard and fiddly making little things. So, I don't know.
Yeah, that would be tough to get any detail in one that's half the size of that. So
Yeah. I
you could
would
do like
definitely I would recommend it. I would look into how to do it. But I did follow the instructions and I'm sure there's some great videos out there how to do it like right.
I thought
And
your video was good.
well,
Got
thank
me
you.
the idea.
Well, and the kit was only like $12 or something. I'll put a link to that below. And so it was totally worth it. But if they do have gloves, I would recommend getting some of those gloves.
Yep. Don't
And I'm
want
just guessing.
to
I
hurt
think,
yourself.
yeah, and
Yeah.
don't give it to your kids without the gloves because
Ooh.
it's a really sharp thing. That
Yeah,
is,
that tool, serious biz.
yeah. So,
So
all right.
yeah.
Well, thanks,
Cool.
Jake. Thanks for helping me with the commentary.
That was fun to watch, and I liked what you made. I wasn't
Yay.
expecting that, so that was
Well,
cool.
well, good. I'm glad you weren't expecting it.
Yeah. No, good job. I
All
liked
right.
it.
Well, thanks. And thanks everybody for watching.
Bye.
Bye.